bio ink and bioprinting. And what are the techniques? There are three main techniques. As I said, one is extrusion based bioprinting. Okay. And another one is inkjet based bioprinting. And third one is the energy based bioprinting. Okay. So we'll discuss one by one. Okay. So you can see this figure. Okay. So there will be an bio ink will be placed in a certain chambers. Okay. And that will be injected onto the substrate layer by layer. Okay. That will be injected onto the substrate layer by layer. Okay. And you can select single bio ink. Okay. Or you can select the hybrid bio ink. Okay. It depends on the applications, or it depends on the organ which you are developing. Okay. As I said, still the bioprinting of main organs, okay, it is still under development stage. Okay. So extrusion based bioprinting. Okay. As I said, so you can clearly see in this figure. So there will be an inkjet. Okay. And which force the ink onto the substrate. Okay. And these types of the bioprinting, it depends on how you are ejecting that bio ink onto the substrate. Okay, how you are ejecting or how you are forcing the bio ink onto the substrate. So these techniques vary in ejecting the bio ink onto the substrate. Okay, so the extrusion based bio ink, extrusion based bioprinting will follow one technique to eject the bio ink onto the substrate. Okay, similarly the inkjet based bioprinting, similarly the laser based bioprinting. Okay, so this is a bioprinter. Okay, so the bioprinter will be having the bio ink as a main constitute. Okay, and this bio ink will be having the cells, living cells, along with the polymer gel. Okay, so the living cells will be suspended in the polymer gel. Okay, and you are going to force this bio ink, which is suspended in this inkjet, onto a substrate. Okay, and as I said, you can go with the single bio ink or you can go with the multiple bio ink. Okay, it depends on the application. Okay, there are three main techniques in order which to develop this bioprinting. Okay, one is extrusion based, droplet based, or it is otherwise called as inkjet based. Okay, as I said, the names will vary. Okay, and the last one was energy based. Okay, so in this extrusion based, as I said, these techniques will vary on how you are going to eject that bio ink onto the substrate. Okay, so in this extrusion based, so you're ejecting the bio ink layer by layer. Okay, and then whatever the desired structure which will be achieved. Okay, so there are three different types you can see here. One is applying the air pressure. Okay, so in order to eject the ink onto the, or in order to force the ink onto the substrate. Another one is having some piston. Okay, so by applying some force onto that piston. Okay, so you are going to eject that bio ink onto the substrate. Okay, and the third one is some screw-like structure. Okay, some screw-like structure you can see in this figure. Okay, so based on that screw-like structure, you are going to force the bio ink onto the substrate. Okay, so you can clearly observe. This is the one is the applying the air pressure, and the second one is through the piston. And the stabilization of the bio ink is also very much important, because when you want to attain the desired structure, that stabilization of the bio ink onto onto that substrate is very much important. Okay, and the second technique is inkjet based bioprinting. Okay, inkjet based bioprinting, as the name itself indicates, so it is injecting the bio ink drop by drop onto the substrate. Okay, so what are the techniques which are available for this inkjet based bioprinting? We'll see. As I said, this is a thermal based bioprinting. in this thermal based bioprinting, there will be a filament which will be attached to this inkjet. Okay, and on heating, this filament will compress. Okay, and it will expand. So when this it is heated up, so that inkjet will flow drop by drop onto the substrate. Okay, so it will flow by drop onto the substrate. That is the one of the way of inkjet based bioprinting. Okay, so that is what when this filament is heated. Okay, so it will be resulting in the forcing the bio ink onto the substrate. And another one is the piezoelectric bioprint. Okay, so in this piezoelectric bioprint, there will be a piezoelectric actuator. Okay, will be attached to that inkjet as shown in that figure. Okay, when that actuator, when it is when the electric current is passed through that actuator, then it forces the bio ink onto the substrate by drop. Okay, so you can see from this video. So when this filament, when it is thermally heated, okay, so it injects the bio ink onto the substrate drop by drop. And this type is the piezoelectric type. Okay, in this piezoelectric type, so when this piezoelectric actuator, when it is connected to the electric current, okay, when it is connected to the electric current, then it forces the bio ink onto the substrate drop by drop. Okay. And the micro valve based bioprinting. In the micro valve based bioprinting, there will be a valve-like structure or a rotating arm. Okay, so it acts like a tap. Okay, it acts like a tap. So it can inject the bio ink onto the substrate. Okay, and the next one is the laser based bioprinting. Okay, the laser based bioprinting. In the laser based bioprinting, what are the main components? So you can see here, one is a laser medium, okay, and a lens in order to project the laser, and it will be having a ribbon-like structure, okay. So in this ribbon-like structure, there will be a gold plating, okay. So when the laser will hit this, when it hits this gold plating, okay, so then it gets heated up and it injects the or it forces the bio ink onto the substrate, okay. That is a laser based. So it will be having a ribbon-like structure where there will be a gold plating. Along with the gold plating, the bio ink will be placed. Okay, bio ink will be placed in this ribbon structure. Okay, when the laser beam, when it hits this gold, so it gets heated up and it injects the bio ink onto the substrate. Okay, this is the laser-based bioprinting. So this is what, when that laser beam hits this gold plating, so it forces the bio ink onto the substrate. That is called as LIFT bioprinting. And the last one is the energy based bioprinting. Okay, so the main idea behind this energy based bioprinting, so the bio ink will be there. Okay, and there will be some structures which are available. Okay, and through the injection of laser beam, so the desired structures will be achieved through this energy based bioprinting. Okay, so the main technique in this energy based bioprinting is stereolithography. Okay, so which is the idea behind this energy based bioprinting. Okay,